Hi everyone, I'm Kate, the founder of Softschool Educational Project. We're continuing to introduce you to the plugins essential for quick and efficient work in 3ds Max. Today we'll talk about Copitor. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and join us on Patreon for even more valuable 3ds Max content. You'll find the link in the video description. Learn easily with Softschool. So we are going to introduce you to a small but highly useful script called Copitor. Its purpose is to quickly copy and paste objects from one scene to another. To download it, visit the scriptspot.com and enter the script's name in the search bar. Go to the script page, scroll down, and follow the download link. You can buy this script for any price you like, but the minimum payment is $1. Enter the amount and go to the payment page. Then download and unzip the archive. Now drag the MCR file into the 3ds Max window. Then open Customize, Customize User Interface, Toolbars tab, and select the Soft Tools category. For convenience, create a new toolbar and give it a name. For example, I name it Scripts and Plugins. Click OK and place Copitor on it. Then move the new toolbar to any place you like. Done! Now let's take a look at the Copitor functions. Open it. You'll notice that the script has 6 slots. This means that you can copy up to 6 different objects. Select the desired objects and click on Copy. To paste these objects into another scene, open Copitor and click on the previous slot. If there is already a material with the same name in the scene, you'll see a window asking you to either rename it, use the material from the merged model in the scene, use the scene material for the merged model, or automatically rename the material. The object will be placed exactly in the same coordinates as it was in the original scene. In the Copitor Options menu, you can check the box to apply scene materials automatically. In addition, you can set the saved version for copied files and open the folder where the copied files are saved. In the update version of the script, a plus sign has been added. Clicking it allows you to change the file storage path for each slot individually. Now, when you hover the cursor over the previous slot, you can see information about the number of assets in the file. Pressing it with Ctrl will open the folder where it's stored. I find these scripts very useful in our work. Besides using it to copy objects from one scene to another, I highly recommend using it when to import external models into a scene, such as those downloaded from stock sources. Often, scenes with such models may contain unnecessary objects, helpers, or even some garbage. To avoid clogging my scene, I open the model separately and copy only what I need from this scene. This way, I protect my scene from a lot of potential trouble. Trust my experience and incorporate this advice into your workflow. So, I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out our Patreon. There you'll find even more videos with the most useful scripts and plugins for 3ds Max. They'll really simplify and speed up your workflow. Follow the link in the description to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.